Hey guys, the Defcon here, and today I'll be playing some Diablo 3 new Let's Play, and today I'll be playing with nobody! Oh my god! And Let's Play without anybody else than just myself. And yeah, so I've been playing Diablo 3 before, and just a little note, it might be a little laggy in the start, but for some reason for my computer, yeah, it's just in the start it always like lags when I open up Diablo 3. It doesn't happen in any other game, but in Diablo 3 it does. So I might try lowering the settings, even though I maybe it's just a recording. I don't know.
Prophecy sent me in search of the star that fell on this land.
Well, I'm just gonna skip that. I will be quiet through the cutscenes and watch those, but I don't think in general that I'm gonna do like listen to the books and such, just because else this Let's Play will take quite a bit. But yeah, I'm only gonna do this from like start to like I guess until we unlock Nightmare, so until we finish normal, or just the game for the first time, as some might like to say it instead. Yeah, I've been playing it before, not as much as Wizard, but as others, and I know that if you run through here, there's a book and some extra XP. And I'm sorry, but we won't listen to that. And there's actually also a book over here that I forgot. And oh my god, we're already nearly in level. Escaping then as usual. But yeah, I've been playing. Oh my god, that was like. I've been playing other classes, and I've gotten to level 60 at 1, my monk. But else, my second highest, like, oh my god, we forgot to talk to Leah. Else, my second highest is a level 30 barbarian, I think. So I haven't been playing this too much. Is it this that I wanna? No. Oh my god, I got a skill. Oh, I'm just not really looking today, I guess. But yeah. So sorry for the the background noise with the mic, and it's actually kind of scary with being alone, because well, scary. No, don't know if that was the right words, but it's just when you are. I like to be more than one, because if you're more than one, then it's like I guess you have more to talk about, and more things come up than when you're alone. I can do stuff alone, but I just think sometimes when I do stuff alone, I don't talk as much, and sometimes it's actually the opposite effect, and I talk a lot because like I'm nervous, I guess, something like that. And yeah, I guess we will see. But I'm gonna at least go into all the different. I'm not gonna listen to the laws either, but I will go down to the cellars and stuff, because especially in the start, it's quite a help. And oh, over here, this one. I know there's 2 in the start here. Oh yeah, and something that's kind of irritating, they don't really auto-equip. I think that's a setting that I have turned off. Like, I don't really know why I would do that, but yeah, it's actually also something that only really helps in the start. But it's kind of irritating when making a new game and then you gotta equip everything, just in the start at least. No, it's not too big of a deal, but still, it's kind of irritating. Come on now, die. Oh, wrong one. Oh, damn it, nothing good. Yeah, it's always easy in the start. Yeah, except for I actually like it. a lot of people dislike the Diablo 3, especially because they think it's irritating that you know, you complete the game, but if you want to get to the highest level and actually do arenas and such, you gotta complete the game again like 4 times. But I'm kind of irritated on those people, because I know what they're trying to say, but if you don't like the story like going over and over again, then why the hell did you even think about buying Diablo? I mean, seriously, there's already been 2 games so far and 1 expansion. I don't know if there was an expansion to the first game, but there was to the second. And yeah, come on, there's been 3 games so far already with the expansion counted in. But so that's at least something that I am kind of irritated about, also because a lot when people try and buy, you know, a game that's like Diablo 3 is the 3rd in the series, and well, if you think about it, why don't you go and check on the story? Not the story. I mean the gameplay, because at least if I buy a game like Diablo 3 and I didn't play the first 2, then I would go and check on what kind of game is this, because I don't want to go into the game like buy it and then find out that it's nothing really I like, because I gotta restart, or well, kind of restart on a higher difficulty to get to the like to actually kind of complete the game or just get to the highest level. And yeah, that's why I'm kind of irritated, because they could just look on a website. They just had to read a few lines about the game, or just asked one of their friends if they might have played it. But yeah, instead they just buy the game, and then Diablo 3 has gotten a lot of hate. Also because it's kind of hard, which you might notice through some of my Let's Plays, or at least in the future, that I like hard games. No, not too kind of impossible gesture, but at least in these kind of games, I like when you gotta like dodge and stuff, and it's hard. Because I've gotten irritated of easy games, because a lot of people they like easy games, and so the community have become like they all just wanna get easy games. So easy games have gotten more popular, and everybody's making easy games, and well, I at least like a challenge. So it's irritating that, you know, that it's just so easy so I can just complete the game in a few hours. But at least in Diablo 3, I know some people, they, as always, they make guides and stuff to how you can complete the game in a few hours, but at least for me, a casual player, it takes more than a few hours to complete this game. On, you know, get to level 60, which I like. And yeah, I like that it's hard. Which I kind of think it makes up for that it continues again, because then at least the game gets a lot harder, and then you don't really think a lot about, I guess, the background and such, because that's really all there is to it. And the story continuing again, because it's so hard that you gotta focus on all the monsters and strategies and such. So yeah, I guess that's just my opinion, that when buying a game, check on what kind of game it is and if it's hard. Because if it's hard, I just don't like really that Diablo 3's forums have just been filled out with hate on that it continues, and you know, the stories and such continues, because you gotta like go back on all the difficulty. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong about that, and that it's hard. I mean, yeah, some point it might get ridiculous hard, but then at least you can go back and grind or something like that. You know, it's not really impossible at any points. So yeah, I guess that's what kind of irritating. For me at least. And yeah. Oh my god. totally forgot that Blizzard has this thing about the friend list that even if you go on busy,
This is Tristram.
you won't see people's messages to you, but when they go online, they still pop up on the screen, so it's like blah 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 has come online or something like that. Which is kind of, if you play with somebody and they don't really want to reveal their real name, but they have it on their Battle.net account, then when they log on while I'm recording, for example, whoops, just a little cut in that all, because it says Diablo 3 has stopped running, but it didn't really, so that was irritating. But yeah, as I was saying before, you are gonna end up revealing your friend's like identity, I guess you can call it, which is, yeah, kind of unfortunate, because I want to record Diablo 3 and play it with you guys, but, well, play it with you guys, but still, and yeah, and if such a problem gets in the way, then maybe I have to, like, I hope that I can at least find some way to like hide them, because if you have any ideas how to solve this problem, please link it, say it down in the comments of this video, because that would be really helpful. And yeah, and to a new topic. I know this is nothing about the other things, but I've been thinking, I guess, about oh, level up, nice, about that a lot of people, like in the Littlewood, for example, have a kind of title he makes on new videos, like Havagander, where he tries out a new game, and other people, well, that was only really the only example I have right now, but I was thinking of making such a thing also, just because all of my videos have in front let's play, so I thought, well, why not twist it up a bit, just for the change, and say let's try instead, huh? See what I did there? Yeah, maybe do that, so that I try a new game. It doesn't have to be new, it can also be an old game, but just a game where if you like it, then you can tell me, and then I will make a let's play of it, perhaps. Oh, treasure goblin, I'm gonna get you. The thing is just to not aggro him right now when there's other monsters, and then get Frost Nova first, because like the noob I am, I've forgotten to take my skills. Good job. Healing potion and go! Ah! Hey, go back! Go back! Alright! You better not get away. Oh my god, this is bad. Come on! Yes! No! I never missed him. But, well, never. I just missed it, but still. Aww. Damn it. Well, I guess they are not so good again at this level. It's more up when you can get legendary stuff and such. Well, I don't really know if they can drop legendary stuff, but at least just when you can get good stuff off them. I know it's good stuff compared to the level I am, but you level up so fast in the start that, well, that it so quickly becomes bad. So don't even waste money on the auction house or such on items, because you're just gonna replace them in a few levels again, which will be irritating. You know what? Now I've said irritating a lot of times today, so let's try not to do that. Also will become irritating. Oh my god, so bad. Oh, trap! Oh, only got one of them. Die. Okay. Oh my god, I hope we soon find. Oh yeah, okay. Just as I said that, we found it. because else this will be kind of a long episode. I don't really plan a long or before I like record how long or what I'm gonna do in this episode, I guess, because in Diablo 3 it can take a lot of time for just a few quests, and well, I guess in this let's play, instead of just saying every video will be 20 minutes, maybe I will do a difference and just say every episode I'll do a quest line. Oh, maybe not a quest line, cause then it will be long episodes and a short let's play. But I don't know, maybe I'll just do the... Oh, where did you come from? I just came from there. Oh my god, get away! Oh my god. I thought, oh, maybe he has just been following me. Awesome. How come it's so hard for me to kill these? Die. Maybe I needed those items that Goblin had. I don't know, maybe. Come on! No! Die! I don't want to die here. I don't want to be ashamed of dying so fast. And now you at least know why I don't like do it hardcore. Yeah, I think it's hardcore. Hardcore mode, where if you die you lose your character. I don't know if it's in Diablo, if it's in Guild Wars, where if it's hardcore and you die, then your character will be put back to normal instead of hardcore. I think that's Guild Wars too, which I kind of like, because I know it's kind of the tense of that you will lose your character if you die, but still, if you get really far and you just don't want to lose all that experience and such, well, yeah, I understand. Now it's time for cutscene, I think.
Oh, minions, stay back! Back! May this wet go. The skeleton king. The power of the fallen star awakened me, and soon all will suffer as I have suffered. Gods, bring me his bones!
And here we see the person on the good people side, I guess, in this game that they can take the most hits. The old man, ironically enough. Like the guards in the towns and such, when they get attacked, they die of a few hits, but Deckard Cain maybe hits something that he got through all of these years of exploring, but he can survive quite a bit. I mean, come on, if you were standing surrounded by 5 skeletons with big axe swords, could you then just survive being slashed a few times before somebody actually came to save you? And actually be standing up like he does? Just like, I don't give a fuck. Because I think that's... he's good. He's awesome for an old man. But still, not as good as us. Because we are the player, I guess? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, we didn't have boots. Oh. Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna be throwing away the white items, because why not? Oh, yeah.
It is wonderful to hear that Leah is well.
No. Why is one of my friends? No. No, not remove. Oh god. Dang it. Oh well. I guess that will be it for this episode. I will see you guys later. See you.